Hey everybody, Day Trade Gambler here. I want to talk to you about the most important trading book that has influenced me in my day trading journey. Now, I've been day trading for a little over 3 years now. I've been in futures and more specifically prop firms for about the last 9 months. And in the last 9 months, I have really been able to turn the corner on moving from, you know, a break even trader. I started obviously as a losing day trader. I got into break even and I was just in a slog with break even. And when I moved into futures and into prop firms and a couple of other things, I really started making that turn into profitability. And one of the things that was foundational in that turn was this book right here, Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogarth. If you don't have it, you need to go get it, get the audiobook, whatever, listen to it, read it. I guarantee you it will influence your day trading journey. Now, for me, what this book did was it gave a voice to a simple fact that I knew. And as day traders, there's a lot of different challenges and hurdles that we have to get over, but there are two that are tantamount to you becoming a profitable day trader and lasting in this business. Number one, we all know what that is emotions. We're always going to be dealing with those in some way, shape, or form. That's never going to change. The second one, though, is our ability to take a loss. And what Tom Hogarth kind of gives voice to in this book is not only do we need to be able to accept taking a loss, but we need to embrace taking a loss. And for me, what that said to me was I need to be able to have a loss strategy that a loss does not impact me or matter in the slightest bit. And for me, again, that means a loss where I lose so little that my brain doesn't even register it. Now, in trading futures, we all know you have to kind of figure out what your losses are financially because points are different for each future, blah, 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 blah. I started trading the micros and I traded one contract in the micros, getting into it, finding my feet. One contract in the micros, I developed just a standard stop loss, and that was 15 points. Now, once I get that in, I more times than not, I want to move it up or closer to my entry and mitigate that loss. But 15 points was what I set. And if I'm a scalper, more times than not, that stop loss doesn't move. Okay, I'm waiting for my profit or my stop, and that's it. 15 points on the micros in one contract is $30. Now, for me, $30, especially trading in prop firms, 30 bucks, my brain doesn't even think about it. It is a no factor scenario. So I can take my loss and then I can get ready. I can start moving into looking for my next opportunity to take a trade. That's what this book said to me and spoke to me about. Taking a loss that means nothing to you. And now as I started in futures and I started building my account based on that, I then moved into minis. Well, for me, I had already built up my mental strength to handle those losses because it's a big change. One contract in the micros at 15 points is 30 bucks. One contract in the minis at 15 points is 300 bucks. So again, one of the principles of this book that I took away was building up your tolerance for a loss. And in my case, the bigger my account is, the bigger my tolerance is for a loss. It's as simple as that. But I want you to go out and get this book. I want you to get the audio book or read it. If you read it, that's fine. And I want you to tell me in the comments down below what you think about it and what it said to you as a day trader. And that's it. That's all I'm saying. Day Trade Gambler here. Good day.